Sex is very important in life. But there are some situations when you should not have sex. If you have sex in such situations, it can cause a lot of harm to you or your partner. There are many situations in which having sex can be very dangerous. So today we will tell you about 7 situations in which you should not have sex. Friends, before proceeding further in the video, I just have a small request from you, that you subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon. And let's move on to the video. Number 1. After surgery. When a person is undergoing surgery, such a person should also not have sex. Even if the surgery is minor, you should avoid physical relations. Doctors will definitely give you such advice. You should avoid having sex until the wound is completely healed. When a person has a major surgery, doctors forbid sex for about 3 months. This is because the wound will not heal quickly when you have sex after surgery. It is possible that the wound will increase further. That's why you must avoid having sex after surgery. Number 2. On having STD. If someone is suffering from STD, that is sexually transmitted disease, then such person should not have sex. No such man or woman should have sex until that person becomes completely right. This is because if a person has STD, then this infection cannot be spread to others through sexual relations. Commonly reported STDs include HIV/AIDS, syphilis and hepatitis B. Doctors also ask to avoid making physical relations with such people. Number 3. During pregnancy. Many people are still very confused about whether they should have sex during pregnancy or not. But let us tell you that you must avoid having sex during pregnancy. According to a study, it has been found that from the 6th week of pregnancy to the 12th week, sex should be avoided. This is because the chances of miscarriage are highest during these weeks. Doctors forbid having sex even in the last 2 months of pregnancy. That's why you must follow the doctor's advice. Number 4. In case of infection. Like we told you that if a person gets sexually transmitted disease, then he should avoid having sex. But if a person has not got STD and has got any other infection, then even in such a situation, they must avoid having sex. For example, if a person gets a disease like chickenpox, bacterial infection or TB, then he or she should not have sex with them. If you have sex in such a position, then it can be very dangerous. Diseases like bacterial infection also spread through the skin. That's why you should avoid having sex during such times. Number 5. Sex after delivery. When delivery happens after pregnancy, you should not have sex even at such a time. Doing this can be very harmful for you. When delivery takes place, women are very weak at that time. They have to go through a lot of pain at the time of delivery. Being a good partner, you need to understand all this. You should avoid having sex after delivery. At the same time, there are some changes in women after delivery. He doesn't feel like having sex for a while. Women lose their desire for sex after delivery. Although it does not last for a long time, but after some time, when women start having periods, then the desire of women to have sex also starts. Then you can have sex. Number 6. At the time of heart problem. People who have heart-related diseases should also refrain from having sex. If a person has a serious heart disease, then having sex in such a situation can be very difficult for them. It is also very dangerous to do so. Arousal during sex is natural, but for people who have heart disease, this arousal is dangerous because it puts pressure on their heart. You must consult a doctor. If your doctor tells you not to have sex, you shouldn't. Number 7. On having a fight with a partner. Many people feel that when they have a fight with their partner, they can fix everything through sex. But it is not right to do so in every situation. There are many situations in which you should not have sex after a fight. Simply, You should lovingly explain to your partner so that this act does not feel forced. Your partner may also feel angry that you only want to have sex with them, so it is not right to have sex every time after a fight. Well friends, what do you think? Should you have sex in such a situation or not? Do tell us in the comments. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, bye.